we just sold some.
Awesome. What is it?
Look and see, it's good.
That is good. It doesn't say where it is though.
Oh no. I can't find it. I can't find it. Are you having any luck at all?
Not finding it.
Melody.
I think you listed it.
Melody, the tubs aren't even in order. I go O1, P1, and then over here it's S3, T1, S2.
Well, they get.
How am I supposed to find any of this? How am I supposed to find anything?
We have to find it. We'll go through it again.
I just hate this. All you have to do is when you list something is put the bin or the location it's in your SKU.
Well, I do for almost all of them.
I don't know how this happens. Like, it happens too often.
Ugh.
It's not in here. It's just not in here.
It has to be in there. We listed it. We just have to keep looking.
I hate this part of this so much. How long have we been looking? It's been hours.
But we have to find it.
It's times like this I just want to cancel the sale, quit eBay, and like just get a regular job.
I know, it's tough. It is here though.
Are you having any luck at all?
Well, it looks like the item that sold was listed on November 4th. It looks like the other active items from November 4th were in T2, W1, or F.
Where are you getting that? To me, I walk in here, I've been downstairs looking, and it looks like you're just playing on the computer.
No, the items that were listed the same day as the sold item. We've got what bins they're in, so we need to check those bins. Those are the bins we were working at.
I have already checked those bins.
Need to check again.
Oh my God, is that it?
I found him.
Where was he?
He was right up on the shelf.
Oh my God.
He was right here the whole time.
Oh my gosh.
And, I mean, we knew we had him.
Still.
Yeah, it's a pain in the butt.
Look at him.
He's so sweet.
You know, you could have avoided this by making sure you had it down where he was. Oh, what a relief.
I'm just glad we found him.
Oh, wow. We just sold something else. That's awesome.
Oh, good. What did we sell?
Let me see. I don't know. It was a lot. Hold on.
Yeah? What's the matter?
He's cross-posted. I don't know how this happens. Like, it happens too often. Press the button on top again.
It is here, though.
That was better. Shut it off. Hold on. I messed up. Let me shoot it again.
What's the matter?
He's cross-posted.
Oh, no.
That's good enough. All right. I will cut